Today we're going to be doing a little fridge refresh because if you've ever opened your refrigerator and thought, why does it smell like all of that? You know exactly why this matters. Today we're placing the Moso Natural Fridge Odor Eliminator in my fridge and we're going to see how it works. This is made with the bamboo charcoal, it's unscented, reusable, and designed to absorb odors instead of just covering them up. Out of the package, this is really simple and clean looking. It's not bulky, it doesn't take up much space in my fridge, which is an added bonus. There's no strong smell at all, which I actually love. No perfumes, no fake fresh scent. It's just natural odor control. It has that breathable fabric pouch that holds the bamboo charcoal inside. You place it right on one of the shelves where air can circulate around it. You can also put it inside the door, in a drawer, in the freezer, or on a side shelf. Anywhere it won't be in the way. And that's it. You don't have to plug anything in, you don't have to spray anything, no replacing filters, you just set it and forget it. We were sent this to test out, and so far we've been really impressed with this. It's easy to use, it's natural, it's unscented, reusable, it's space saving, and it's low maintenance. What's not to love?